Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to invest in the S&P 500 using the Wealth Simple app. First, open the Wealth Simple app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're logged in, scroll down and tap on your tax-free savings account or TFSA. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create a TFSA or personal account before you can start investing in stocks. After opening your account, tap the trade options. Now in the search bar, type S&P 500 or VFV. That's the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, one of the most popular options. From the list of results, tap on Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF or VFV or any other S&P 500 ETF you prefer. Then tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. You can buy whole shares or just enter a specific dollar amount. For example, $10 worth of S&P 500 stocks. Tap Review to double-check your order details like the order type, your account, the estimated quantity, and total cost. Once you're satisfied, tap Place Order. And that's it. You've successfully invested in the S&P 500 through the World Simple app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.